What bird has the most elaborate, the most complex, the most beautiful song in the world? Well, I guess there are lots of contenders, but this bird must be one of them. The superb lyre bird of southern Australia.
To persuade females to come close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage. And he does that by copying the songs of all the other birds he hears around him.
오빤 Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Hey, sexy lady.
오빤 Gangnam Style.
Hey, sexy lady.
오빤 Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 오빤 Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 오빤 Gangnam Style.
Hey, sexy lady.
오빤 Gangnam Style.